Hello my friends and welcome! I just want to tell you before this video starts that I was actually going to delete this video. I just felt like it wasn't perfect in my mind. And then I remembered what a famous YouTuber said in one of his YouTube videos. His name's Peter McKinnon, and he said that done is better than perfect. And not every single one of your videos is going to be this masterpiece or this perfection in your mind. But it's important that you release it online because art is subjective. And I think that there's such a bigger picture with that being said. Anything in your life, you work hard at something, but if it's not perfect, that's okay. Move on to the next thing and learn from your mistakes. Enjoy the video and thanks for watching as always. What a perfect spot to boondock or dry camp or camp overnight. Just my favorite residential road on the side or at the end of a road, tucked away where no one's gonna bother me. I guess it would technically be dry camping because I'm not in the boondocks, so I was dry camping. I just always say boondocking. I hope that's okay with everybody. Okay, my friends, I lied to you. Tomorrow, the next vlog is going to be of me going to the woods and finding the greatest boondocking spot ever. But how do I get to the front door? But first I want to make this video. I've been procrastinating about this video because I haven't wanted to do it, but I'm going to make it. So let's grab a coffee and then I'll tell you about this video. It doesn't get any more Canadian than this. Tim Hortons, and I didn't get a coffee, I got a tea. I'm gonna try to ease off of the coffee and try tea a little bit more. Okay, so here's the plan. I have to run some errands real quick because I'm gonna go out to that nice spot that I told you about, and I've just gotta get some like gas and propane and some food, so we're gonna do that. Hey, how are you? Good, good. You know how to fish, right? Yeah, you betcha. Enjoy your day. All right, my friends, just a fair warning, this video has absolutely nothing to do with the RV lifestyle. Ugh. All right, so the question is, am I going to monetize, and what does that have to do with New Year's goals? Well, you see, my New Year's goal is to get in better shape. So original, right? So I thought of a great idea. Why not combine the two in some sort of challenge? Let's go into my RV where it's a little bit warmer and I can explain. Okay, so this is the challenge, my friends. If I lose 20 pounds in 1 month, I will monetize this site. If I don't, however, lose 20 pounds, or if I fail to do so, then I will never, ever put an ad in front of my videos as long as this channel lives. Monetization is definitely something I think that I need to earn, and I think what better way to earn that than kind of combining my New Year's goal with monetization of my channel. Another big reason why I'm doing this is because I feel crappy. I'm not eating right, I'm not exercising. Like for example, say I was an 8-cylinder truck. I feel like I'm running off of 2 cylinders right now. So fitness for me and health for me is becoming extremely important. So for me, it's easy just to not work out and eat crappy food. But now that I've made this video, and that's the reason I didn't really want to make it, but now that I've made this video, I'm responsible to that. I have to keep my word and lose 20 pounds in a month, and I think that's a good way to kickstart yourself. I'm gonna do this very simply. There's no gym membership, there's no expensive equipment. I think that the more simple you make something, the easier it is to be consistent at. And especially when talking about fitness, consistency is the key. If you're consistent at it, you will get results. I feel like if you overcomplicate things, it's easy to quit. So this is going to be a very, very simple program that I'm going to follow. So of course, the two things that I'm going to do is I'm going to work out 6 days a week, and I am going to eat clean 4 to 5 meals a day. So let me just take you through my workout plan really quick. So I have 2 workout programs basically. So I'll do day 1, day 2, and then back to day 1, day 2, 6 days a week. So day 1 includes working out my legs, my arms, chest, my shoulders, and doing some cardio at the end. Cardio for me, I'm not a big runner, so I'll do sprints, like a long distance runner. I'll do sprints or incline stairs or whatever's around me at the time of my workout. I'll just incorporate cardio at the end of the workout. Day 2 is a little bit different. We're gonna start again with legs. I'm gonna do back, a couple exercises for back. Abs, gotta work that core. And again, ending that with cardio. But the big part of losing weight is your diet. I would say that it's like a 30% workout, 70% diet. Diet. Nutrition is so very important when you are looking for results. So this is going to be my diet. All right, so what am I going to eat to lose 20 pounds in a month? I am going to eat very simple, very whole foods. So what we've got here, we've got some chicken, quinoa, spinach, chicken, quinoa, spinach, chicken, quinoa, broccoli. We've got some steak, potatoes and broccoli, ground beef, potatoes and broccoli. So you kind of get the idea here, guys. Pretty basic. I'm either gonna eat chicken, beef, steak, fish, match that up with some quinoa, some yams, potatoes, maybe some brown rice, and then on the side, all the veggies I want. Try to make them green veggies. So that's what I'm gonna eat to lose 20 pounds for my little challenge. And drink a gallon of water every single day. So my challenge to you is do this with me. In your own way, whatever way that is. You don't have to eat the food that I'm eating. You don't have to do the exercises I'm doing. You don't even have to lose weight like I am going to do, hopefully. It can just be something as simple as going for a walk, doing some yoga, going for a bike ride, just being consistent at it every day, or every second day, or every third day, just to feel a little bit better. There's something about exercise, there's something about being healthy and fitness that just makes you feel so darn good, and I think that's the best part of it. So come along with me in this challenge, do it with me, and then in a month, we will decide at that time if I am going to monetize or if I will not be monetizing. I think it's pretty cool. I guess the next step would be going to weigh myself to see how much weight I actually need to lose. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, we're in this gym right now, and this gym has like a real weigh scale. So I'm gonna weigh myself right now. Just so you know, Thursday, January 18th at 5 o'clock, all right? All right, so I'm 252 pounds right there. 250 and 2. All right, so 232 I need to get to in 1 month, February 18th. Now let's go find a place to sleep for the night. Oh yes, I am. I'm feeling like watching a movie tonight. Should we go get a movie from Walmart? right, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed the video. I am gonna watch a movie, go to sleep, and then tomorrow I'm headed to the greatest boondocking spot ever. So keep living that dream. It would be awesome if you want to do the challenge with me. Take care of yourself, and bye-bye.